you have to find ways to listen harder. And here's a quick tip about that. You probably have a Facebook group if you have an audience. So in your Facebook group, you can ask people something like, where did you find out about our podcast? Okay, so just a way for you to plug that podcast in or that content creation in. But then you ask this $1 million question, and that is a variation on the famous, what is your biggest hurdle question? You can have a different variation on it, which is something like, you've joined this group for a reason. You've been hoping for some change. What is your biggest hope about that which made you join this group? So it's a little bit more relaxed, more subtle. It's more about, hey, you chose to join this place. I didn't tell you to join it. You joined. So tell me, it's a mandatory question. Tell me, what is your number one pain point? What is your number one desire? Or what is your hope to overcome something in your journey? And we've been getting results that were very interesting. But then we applied listening harder, not just collecting them for the purpose of having that in copy of our sales page and whatnot, but also to like just on a day-to-day manner, go there and fix their problems. Just literally tell them, oh, you wanted to learn new games for playing with your kids, no problem. Here are 2 free resources. Here's 1 paid resource, and here's another 2 free resources. Boom. Now you've listened to them and you gave them what they want. I love the way that you presented it in one of your mastermind groups, where you presented it like a broccoli with chocolate. What they want is the chocolate. So that brings them in.